Beware of the man who does not talk and the dog that does not bark. When the last tree has been cut down, the last river has been polluted, and the last fish has been caught, only then do you realize that money can't buy everything. Tell me and I will forget. Show me, and I may not remember. Involve me and I'll understand. Do not pray when it is raining if you do not pray when the sun is shining. Listen or your tongue will make you deaf. Most of us do not look as handsome to others as we do to ourselves. It is less of a problem to be poor than to be dishonest. All who have died are equal. One rain does not make a crop. Cherish youth, but trust old age. If you see no reason for giving thanks, the fault lies in yourself. Sharing and giving are the ways of God. A brave man dies but once, a coward many times. The one who tells the stories rules the world. Before eating, always take time to thank the food. If we wonder often, the gift of knowledge will come. When we show our respect for other living things, they respond with respect for us. Take only what you need and leave the land as you found it. I am living in poverty, but in peace. Be an early riser. The game does not snuggle their heads on feather pillows. All things are connected. Whatever befalls the earth befalls the children of the earth. Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Walk beside me that we may be as one. There is no death, only a change of worlds. The more you know, the more you will trust, and the less you will fear. You already possess everything necessary to become great. The more you ask how far you have to go, the longer your journey seems. All the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. Certain things catch your eye, but pursue only those that capture the heart. It takes 1,000 voices to tell a single story. Don't be afraid to cry, it will free your mind of sorrowful thoughts. All dreams spin out from the same web. The rain falls on the just and unjust. If you find a person keep looking at you, it could mean they are thinking of you. The elders were wise. They know that man's heart, away from nature, becomes hard. They knew that lack of respect for growing, living things soon led to a lack of respect for humans too. We do not want churches because they will teach us to quarrel with God, as the Catholic and Protestants do. We do not want to learn that. The ground on which we stand is sacred ground. It is the blood of our ancestors. Humankind has not woven the web of life. We are but one thread within it. Whatever we do to the web, we do to ourselves. All things are bound together. All things connect. The red nation shall rise again, and it shall be a blessing for a sick world. A world filled with broken promises, selfishness and separations. A world longing for light again. All life is a circle. The atom is a circle, orbits are circles, the earth, moon, and sun are circles. The seasons are circles. The cycle of life is a circle, baby, youth, adult, elder. The sun gives life to the earth, who feeds life to the trees whose seeds fall to the earth to grow new trees. We need to practice seeing the cycles that the Great Spirit gave us, because this will help us more in our understanding of how things operate. We need to respect these cycles and live in harmony with them.